Hello everyone and welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing off our discussion with question pertaining to the ones that we have seen in the test of mathematics. So we'll try to understand the kind of question that are basically asked in this kind of examination, and we'll also take a look and try to understand the approach that involved for solving this kind of question, so that whenever we come across these questions in any kind of examination further down the line, we are easily able to solve these things. So having said that, let's take a look at the question in front of us. Let A be any variable point on the x-axis and B point 2 by 3, B the point 2 by 3, 2 and 3. Okay. The perpendicular to A to the line AB meets the y-axis at C. Then the locus of the midpoint of the segment AC as A moves is given by the equation. Okay. So here's given A is any variable point, right? So let AB, let me represent A as A comma 0. So now it's given B is 2 by 3. So therefore slope of AB can be given by 3 minus 0 by 2 minus A. That is 3 by 2 minus A. Okay. And slope of perpendicular to AB can be simply given by minus 1 is the product. So A minus 2 by 3 will be the slope. So therefore equation of perpendicular to AB at A can be given by y minus 0 equal to A by 2 by 3 into x minus A. Okay. Now it meets at y-axis. So if it means a line meets at y-axis, it means the x-coordinate is 0. Okay, so since the x-coordinate is 0, so what we'll do is basically we'll putting x equal to 0, we have y equal to A by 2 by 3 into A. Okay, so this we get as y. So therefore we can further conclude C can be 0 A into y is equal to 0 minus A. Okay, there will be minus A, right? Minus A. Okay. So 2 minus A. Okay, minus A multiplied by 3. So this will be the value of C. Now let midpoint of AC be say h comma k. So therefore h will be A by 2 and k will be A 2 by A 2 into A, that is 6. Okay, that will be like k. So therefore k equal to, it can be given by 2 minus twice h by 3. 3k equals to twice h minus h squared, can be further given by twice h squared minus 2h plus 3k equals to 0. So therefore locus will be given by 2x squared minus 2x plus 3y equal to 0. So if you go through the option A comes out to be our correct choice. Okay. So I hope this is clear to you. So all we needed to do was just assume a certain point and then proceed with the finding the slope and the perpendicular, and subsequently we could have figured out the entire equation in general. So in case you have any difficulty, I suggest you go through the video multiple times so as to get you a clear understanding on the topic, and further of all try and solve this question on your own so that you can get a clear idea on how to tackle this kind of questions in general. So having said that, in case you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel so that we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line as well. So with all that said, I'd like to sign off. Thank you so much.